Are you looking for the best dryer vent hoses? With growing awareness around home safety and energy efficiency, the demand for reliable dryer vent hoses is on the rise. Homeowners are realizing that a quality vent not only improves dryer performance, but also reduces fire hazards. Whether you're a frequent user or a weekend laundry warrior, choosing the right hose matters. This guide evaluates the best dryer vent hoses based on build quality. Product number 1, Magnetic Dryer Vent Coupling DV180, Airtight Seal Dryer Vent Connector Kit. The DV180 Magnetic Dryer Vent Coupling is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify dryer vent installation. This kit features an airtight magnetic seal, ensuring zero air leaks while improving your dryer's efficiency. Its standout feature is the quick connect design, allowing you to attach or detach the hose effortlessly, ideal for tight spaces or frequent cleanings. The high-quality ABS plastic construction is durable and heat-resistant, while the built-in safety seal minimizes lint buildup. Unlike traditional clamps, this coupling offers a cleaner, more elegant installation that's especially appealing to modern homeowners. Although it's a bit pricier than basic vent hoses, the ease of use, reusability, and long-term safety benefits make it worth the investment. Perfect for those who value convenience and performance.
Product number 2, 4-inch dryer vent, 26 feet, flexible aluminum duct with 2 clamps, heavy-duty 4-layer. This 4-inch, 26 feet flexible aluminum dryer vent hose offers impressive length and durability, making it ideal for large laundry rooms or complex venting paths. Made from 4 layers of reinforced aluminum and PET, it's designed to withstand high heat and resist punctures. The extra-long 26-foot hose gives you the flexibility to route around corners or tight spaces without compromising airflow. The included 2 stainless steel clamps add extra security and prevent leaks or slippage. It's UL 181 safety rated, giving homeowners peace of mind. Installation is straightforward, though trimming may be necessary for shorter distances. Its heavy-duty build and extended reach make it a top pick for those with larger dryer setups or long vent runs.
Product number 3, Omont Dryer Vent Hose 4-inch, 5-foot flexible dryer ducting tube air duct aluminum. The Omont 4-inch dryer vent hose is a compact, durable solution perfect for small to mid-sized laundry spaces. At 5 feet long, it's ideal for short vent paths and tight connections behind dryers. It's constructed with aluminum foil and a steel wire spiral, giving it excellent flexibility without sacrificing strength. The design also resists temperature fluctuations and corrosion, ensuring it holds up over time. Installation is straightforward, just extend, connect, and clamp. While it lacks the fire-resistant PET layers found in more premium hoses, it still performs well for basic venting needs. This hose is a great budget-friendly choice for those looking for quick fixes or temporary setups. Product number 4, Heavy-Duty 4-inch Flexible Dryer Vent Exhaust Duct Hose 3 feet for tight spaces, extra thick. This heavy-duty 4-inch dryer vent hose is specially designed for tight spaces, with a compact 3-foot length that's perfect for snug laundry rooms or stacked dryer setups. What sets it apart is its extra thick aluminum construction, providing superior resistance to crushing, punctures, and heat. Despite its short length, the hose remains very flexible, allowing easy adjustments during installation. The durable material ensures long-term safety and excellent airflow without frequent lint clogs. While it won't suit extended venting needs, it excels in its niche, maximizing performance in minimal space. If you're tight on room and want a solid, safe connection, this hose is a reliable pick.
Product number 5, Dryer Vent Hose 4-inch Flexible Duct 8 feet long, heavy-duty 4-layer protection. This 8-foot 4-inch flexible dryer vent hose offers a perfect middle ground between compactness and extended reach. It's built with 4 layers of aluminum and PET materials, giving it excellent heat resistance, flexibility, and tear protection. The 8-foot length is versatile enough for most standard laundry room setups, and the product includes sturdy clamps for secure installation. The hose maintains consistent airflow and reduces lint buildup thanks to its smooth interior surface. Installation is easy and doesn't require tools beyond a screwdriver. If you want a vent hose that offers reliability, durability, and easy setup without going overboard on length, this model is an excellent option.